Dr. Meera James, welcome to Yuderma Mic to Millions.
Thank you. Nice to be here.
Lovely. We are thrilled to have you here. So I'm going to quickly ask you something about acne. So how can someone establish a skincare routine to help manage acne?
So, regarding acne, the most important thing you have to remember is acne can never be cured completely. You tend to develop acne due to multiple factors. There are hormonal reasons, then genetic reasons, then the products that you use, a lot of things actually interplay to work there. So many times people think, once you treat acne, it's gone. It's not like that. Okay, when you take the treatment for that time period, acne is arrested. But again, it can come back if you are not taking proper care. So lifelong you have to remember that you have an acne prone skin. So the kind of products that you choose, because acne means you have an oily skin. So the kind of products you choose should be such that, or they are suitable for an oily skin. And again, then there is a kind of belief that if the skin is too oily, you have to get it dry. Don't choose such kind of products also.
And you do our day-to-day food style, diet style, we tend to get pimples, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So we should also work.
That is what I initially said. There is an interplay of factors that actually work together to give acne. So not one factor is responsible. So there are a lot of people who ask you what kind of diet restrictions and the thing. I specifically don't advise any diet restrictions, but if you personally feel that some kind of diet is exacerbating your acne, please avoid that, because now this chicken, all these things, there is a lot of adulteration happening. So a lot of hormonal injections are being given to this. So when we consume them, naturally those hormonal effects happen in our body too.
And it results on our skin also.
And always remember not to touch the acne, because everybody has that tendency to squeeze it, and that is when you tend to develop marks. If the acne are left to themselves, they would actually
then there will be scars on your face.
Yeah.
What are the ingredients that that we can combine with hyaluronic acid?
Actually, hyaluronic acid is a hydrating agent. So it is something which helps to maintain the youthfulness of the skin. So as you grow older, you tend to lose that hyaluronic acid from your skin, which actually gives the skin its softness and suppleness. So then you tend to use it because it's a hygroscopic agent. It again tends to absorb water, making the skin soft and supple. So in acne, there are people most often the most commonly prescribed drug for acne is retinoids, which in turn tend to make the skin a little dry. So if there is too much of dryness, maybe you can use hyaluronic acid, but strictly under doctor's supervision, because there are so many products available and there are so many influencers and people who support it. But the thing is just make
make sure that your dermat is recommending it to you. Thank you, Dr. James. It was lovely having you here.